Hello friends, I am Ganesh Kekan. In this video, we will solve one problem on projections of lines. Let us read out the problem statement first. A line AB 100 mm long has its front view inclined at 45 degree to XY line. So 100 mm long line means true length is 100 mm. Then front view is inclined at 45 degree. So it is alpha. Alpha is how much? 45 degree. Okay. Then point A is in VP. So point A is in VP. Okay, and 25 mm above HP. 25 mm above HP. So position of point A is given. Front view measures 60 mm means elevation length. Length of front view is 60 mm. So EL is equal to 60 mm. Draw the projections of line and find true inclination with HP and VP. So theta and phi they are asking to find out, and traces HT and VT. Okay, so very simple. What I will do, first of all, I will draw one horizontal line. Take a line. Ortho mode should be on. So here I will draw one horizontal line there. Okay, so first of all I will draw horizontal line. What next? Next thing is point A is in VP and 25 mm above HP. So point A is 25 mm above HP and in VP. So you see this point becomes point A dash, and this is location of small a, and this is my XY line. And you see this distance is found to be how much? It is 25 mm. You see this is 25 mm. Okay, so once we have a dash and a, what next? A dash and a we have already utilized. Now elevation length is given, so whenever elevation length is given, it has to be marked parallel to xy from a dash. So from a dash I will draw one horizontal line. From a dash I will draw one horizontal line. Length will be 60 mm. Enter. So this point is what? This point will be b2 dash. This point is b2 dash, and this length is what? This length is elevation length. Okay, so once we have this, okay, what next? They have given alpha is 45. So what is alpha? You see, alpha is nothing but angle of front view. See, we have elevation length, we have angle alpha. So what can we do? Very simple. Take it. What we will do? Take a line from point A dash, shift, one sec, repeat line. You see, from point A dash, shift at the rate, length of line कितना है? EL is 60, shift less than angle of EL is 45. ठीक है, so what is this? This is my final projection, A dash B dash, and this length is what? This length is EL. This point will be what? This point becomes B dash, and from B dash the line passing will be called as, you see I will draw one line there. Parallel line is locus of B dash. This line is locus of B dash, and this angle is alpha. You see this angle is alpha. Now once we have all this, what next? Now only one thing is remaining, that is this position EL alpha, everything is utilized. True length is 100 mm. So true length we know, true length is inclined at angle phi. A dash B1 dash is true length, and true length B1 dash is there on locus of B dash. So what we can do, we can take a circle, A dash point as the center, draw circle having length equal to true length. So take a circle, A dash point as the center, you see, and true length as a radius, that is 100 mm. Take a draw circle. Take a, so this length is what? You see, one sec, something is wrong there. Okay, you see we drawn circle having radius equal to true length. So we will join this point with this one. You see, point A dash. This length is what? This length is true length, and angle of this length you will be getting as a theta, inclination of line with HP. That is how much? 25. You see, it is found to be 25. So complete data is over. No data is remaining. This point is what? This point is B1 dash. This point is, you see, B1 dash, and this line is what? This is a locus of this line is a locus of B dash, you see. Okay, now data is over. What next? What? This true length at theta, you see, true length at theta will give you plan length parallel to xy. Okay, so from B1 dash, from B1 dash, if I draw vertical line there on xy line itself, on xy line itself, you will be getting plan length. So you see, this length is nothing but a plan length, and this point is what? This point is called as B1. This point is called as B1. Okay, so we are getting plan length. What next? We know one thing, that A dash and A, they lie on same line. Similarly, B dash and B also lie on same line. So what we will do, from B dash, I will draw one vertical line. Okay, and I will extend it like this. Okay, what next? Now see, I am having plan length. I am having point A, and this is the line on which small b will lie. So what we will do, we will draw one arc keeping A point as a center and plan length as a radius. So arc, center, my center will be point A, you see. Then point B1 will be a starting point. One sec. Take a arc. This is center. A point is a center, you see. Then AB1 is a radius. Okay, draw arc, control, press control. Okay, okay, let me extend. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to join point A with this one. This is what? This is nothing but your point B. Very simple. This is point B, and from point B, which line will be passing? Horizontal line will be passing from point B. That line is called as what? It is a locus of B. You see, this is called as locus of B. So you see all this thing to be shown by a projectile line, faint line. You see, okay, this is what? This is final projection. So I will show this like this. This length is plan length, and this angle is found to be, how much it is? This is beta. This angle is a beta. Okay, and what next? We know, you see, we have elevation length parallel to xy. So this B2 dash, if I draw vertical line, I will be getting point B2 on locus of B, which will give me true length at angle phi. You see, so from B2 dash, I will draw one vertical on xy line itself. Sorry, on locus of B, I will be getting point, which one? This point will be called as point B2, and join point A. One sec. Join point A with point, you see, this one B2. Okay, this length is what? This length is 2 length, and angle of this 2 length is what? Phi. This angle is phi. So everything we have, you see, this is the thing. Now, which thing is remaining? HTVT. Okay, how we get it? Very simple. Extend A dash B dash, extend line up to this. Okay, this point becomes H dash. This point is H dash. Okay, then from H dash, extend AB on XY, you will be getting point V. So at point A itself, there is V. This is point V itself. Okay, and this vertical is nothing but, at this point there will be V dash. From V we draw vertical. So on A dash itself there will be V dash. This point becomes a V dash. ठीक है. Then what? From H dash you draw vertical. ठीक है. Extend AB. On extended AB you will be getting small h. So extend up to this line. You see. So this point is nothing but small h. You see. This is small h. Axis line you can trim. ठीक है. So in this way you see h dash h is nothing but ht and v dash is vt, and we know h dash, a dash, b dash and v dash, they lie on same line inclined at angle alpha, and h, then v, a and b, they lie on inclination, they lie on line which is inclined at angle beta. So this is about complete solution of the problem. Okay, I hope you have understood the problem. Thank you.